Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we have the ultimate baked ziti on the menu. Let's get into it.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Here are all of the ingredients for my ricotta cheese mixture. Let's get started with boiling some pasta.
You're looking just a little too hard at me, standing just a little too close to me. You say you're not quite enough to me.
I'm adding in a generous amount of some good quality sea salt, and then I'm going to add in my pasta. And just by stirring your pasta alone is enough to prevent your pasta from sticking together. No oil is needed. Don't you dare think about adding any oil into that pasta water. So I came across these two lovely seasonings at my local Kroger store. You know what? I absolutely love trying out new seasonings, especially if they're more on the Caribbean side. I think I may just be half Caribbean or something, y'all, but that's neither here or there. Because you know what? Moving on, because I've been rambling long enough. I'm adding in some shredded Parmesan cheese and some mozzarella cheese. Please make sure to add in a generous amount of them both. I'm adding in both of my seasonings that I found at my local Kroger, okay? And then I'm going to give that a slight mix, all right? Just like that. I'm adding in some jarred Alfredo sauce. Yes, I said jarred Alfredo sauce. I like to switch things up over here. I could have used an egg, but I didn't. So please feel free to use an egg if you like. Really make this yours, you guys. I'm now adding in my pasta, and I'm going to mix this generously, making sure that everything is thoroughly incorporated. Cover with some plastic wrap and set to the side. Now for the grand finale of ingredients, because your girl, she a little extra, like literally. Now I'm not going to say that I'm all the way extra, because that wouldn't be the truth. But who girl, see, there you go yapping. I will have all of the exact measurements of all of these lovely ingredients that you see here in the description box. Okay, so moving on to creating a nice foundation for our meat sauce. Let's go. I'm adding in my mild Italian sausage, making sure that I peel the paper off because I definitely would not want to leave that in there. And I'm going to break apart my meat just like so. I'm adding in my green scallions, my diced red bell peppers, my diced orange bell peppers, and my yellow diced bell peppers. Now, one thing I cannot stress enough is to please make sure that your meat is fully grounded up. That's key for making sure that we create a nice, firm foundation. I've added in my seasonings. I'm adding in my bougie black minced garlic by Badia. I usually get this garlic from my local Walmart, or you can also purchase it off of Amazon as well. I'm adding in my pasta sauce. I absolutely love this brand. Absolutely love it. And please make sure to drain your meat of any excess grease, especially if you are cooking with ground beef. So we may not need this other jar of pasta sauce. Yeah, we may be good on this. I'm adding in my fire roasted diced tomatoes, and I'm going to mix that very well. Oh, and does anyone notice that it's typically all I use in just about all of my pasta dishes? Another major ingredient I will be using for the foundation of my meat sauce is my Gourmet Cream cheese, which is just a mixture of cream cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, Colby Jack cheese, and your favorite all-purpose seasoning all in one. Now, I went ahead and I've added a generous 3 scoops of that into my meat sauce, and I've given that a generous stir. Allow that to cook on low for at least 2 to 3 hours for maximum results. To complete this flawless masterpiece, like literally, I'm adding in a tablespoon of brown sugar along with some Italian seasoning, and I'm going to mix that very well. It is to die.
Now do you guys understand why I stress that the foundation of your meat sauce is extremely important for maximum results? Look at this flawless masterpiece. Like, literally, it's rich, it's full-bodied, it has movement, it's flavorful, it's all of the things. I mean, it's everything that I could have hoped and expected. I mean, trust the process. Now, let's put her together, shall we?
LOL, yeah. J-Lo, yeah, yeah. Yo, we off the block this year.
Went from a low to a lot this year.
Everybody mad at the rocks that I wear.
I know where I'm going and I know where I'm from. You hear locks in the air.
Yeah, we at the airport out. D-block from the block where everybody air forced out.
With a new white tee, you fresh. Nothing phony with us. Make the money, get the mansion, bring the only with us.
All the rocks that I got, I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from. Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from. From living color to movie scripts to all the 6 to J-Lo to this headline clips. I stay grounded as the amounts roll in. I'm real, I thought I told ya. I'm real, even on the rough. That's just me. Nothing phony, don't hate on me. What you get is what you see. Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still
Oh, no, I got cheese all under my nails. Oh, man.
I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from.
You want to bake this on 350 degrees for at least 45 to 50 minutes. Now, for the last 5 minutes, you want to bake it underneath the broiler so that she gets nice and golden brown. I hope you guys really enjoyed the breakdown of this recipe. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well, okay? If you are not subscribed by now, what are we doing? No, what are you doing? Hello? Especially if you enjoy watching content like this.
They low, locks and J-Lo. They act like they don't, but they know. Yeah.